This has been a wonderful evening. I'm glad we got to spend time together like this. Yeah, I've just been kind of busy with work. I started going to the gym too. Oh, excuse me, can I get the check please? Thank you. Don't worry, I'll cover the bill. It was my idea to go out in the first place. Can I pay with my debit card? Thank you. Oh, that's weird. Let me try inserting it. That's odd. I definitely got paid yesterday. But let me check my bank account. Oh shoot, there's no signal here. I'll have to run across the street and check on the cash machine outside. I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, I got paid. Do you take Apple Pay? No? Okay, I'll have to go back and take some cash out. Oh, this is a cashless restaurant. But my debit card, maybe you could forward the bill to me and I can pay it back at a later point? Okay, sorry, would you be able to pay? I can pay you back later. Thanks. So, I'll call you.